Hey guys, shooting a real quick video. I get this question a lot, and I just want to address it real quick, and that's, what is a misfire? A lot of people think a misfire is its own problem. Really, a misfire is a symptom of another problem. And to make it as the simplest form as humanly possible, in an engine, there's a crankshaft that turns around. On the end of the crankshaft, there's teeth, and there's a magnet. And as that teeth passes the magnet, the engine knows what revolution it's turning. That's how it keeps up with everything. So what is a misfire? Instead of that crank turning at the speed that the computer thinks it is, something slowed it down. So that's all a misfire is. It's a slowdown on the combustion cycle. So the piston's actually getting there slower than it should.
And it does not automatically mean they have a bad engine.
It does not mean you have a bad engine. It does not.
One of our poor guys thought that last night. A shop told him he had a misfire.
Told somebody that he had a misfire, needed an engine, and the guy's sweating on how to spend $5,000 to replace an engine. For God's sakes, a misfire is usually something very simple. It can be caused very simply. The ring that goes around the piston that allows the air or holds the air in, that could be worn. If that's the case, you'll have blue smoke coming out of the tailpipe 9 times out of 10. You could also have a burnt or stuck valve. In that case, if that's why you have low compression, when you hit the key, 9 times out of 10, you'll hear a little popping in the muffler. You could have a bad spark plug, which is allowing the fire to ignite the fuel like it's supposed to. That could cause it. A bad ground on your coil could cause it.
A bad coil?
A coil could cause it. What else could cause one of those, dear?
There's 1,000 different things.
There's 1,000 different things that can cause it, but basically it's the same.
But it's typically not putting a new engine in your car.
Yeah. Please don't go that route. Just spend a few minutes with me. Tell me kind of what's going on, and I'll see if I can help you with a misfire. But remember, a misfire just means the bus is late to pick up the kids at the bus stop. That's it. I just said that because I know that our main man is going to be nailing me about the kids at the bus stop on the misfire. I'm already going to tell you about that right now.
Who are you talking about, Carman?
I'm not even going to say it because you're going to watch it. It's going to pop up. He's going to be like, "Oh, my Lincoln was late picking up the kids. I mean, sorry, it had a misfire."
I love it.
So that's all it is, guys. There's just a wheel, and when it passes the magnet knows that, you know, that cylinder's wherever it's supposed to be at, or that crankshaft is where it's located, and the computer's using all the other information, knows where the gas pedal's at, and according to everything it knows, this is how fast it's supposed to be going, and for some reason it's slowed down. That's all a misfire is. Please do not go replace your engines or anything like that, and anything I can do in the future to kind of help you out with that. Depending on your particular case, I'll be able to send you, whether you're dealing with compression, air, fuel, you know, you got to figure out which area you're having the problem in. Meanwhile, nothing but love for you guys, man. Support your troops. Home front hugs. Jen's home. The party's on. Peace out.